Yep, these teeth are looking pretty rough in there. Lots of grip on these babies. Look at that compared to the old ones. So let's go ahead and get it replaced. Would you just look at that? Beautiful new wheels. Ooga dooga, ooga dooga. I'm gonna replace this air filter real quick. You can see how nasty the old filter was. Drop a gear and disappear. Okay, just got done cleaning up my lawnmower for the season. I'm gonna replace this air filter real quick. You can see how nasty the old filter was. This is the old filter. Really bad, so make sure you change this every season, not like the previous owner. So here's the new one and the old one. There's the part number. These fit most of the Briggs & Stratton engines. In fact, this will tell you the list of all the engines that this filter fits. The last crap that's in the housing, the last crap that's going to get into the engine. Of course, here's the mandatory date on this, but as long as you change it every season, you'll see. It gets dirty, change it. Have your engine run smooth at all times. And that's it. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the drive wheels and tires on the Husqvarna mower. This is the model that I have. I ordered some new wheels. They were about 11 bucks, 10 bucks a piece on Amazon. So you can kind of see how flat these are. There's really no grip. So when I turn on the drive, they spin quite a bit. And it looks like I've got a race setup here. I've got like a negative camber here, you can see. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and replace these. And here's that came from Amazon. They are looking pretty sharp. Lots of grip on these babies. Look at that compared to the old ones. So let's go ahead and get it replaced. Looks like I got these marked up with my dirty hands. There we go. Beautiful. These do not have Husqvarna little logo on them like the original ones, but oh well, I think they should work well. And look at the teeth here. Perfect. So I'm going to show you the difference between the old ones and the new ones. In fact, looks like they sit a little taller too because of that extra thread. You probably have about a little less than 1/4 inch on them, but what a difference. Nice and flat here, no grip, and then these should drive quite well. So cheap upgrade. Again, the original one has the H logo on it. These do not, but that doesn't bother me. So we've got a 9/16 socket on here. Here's the nut. And then here's what it looks like on the inside. The teeth are getting a little bit of wear to them. You can kind of see where they're getting worn a bit. And here's the new one. So you can kind of see. Here they are side by side. See the difference. And then again, you can kind of see that they are slightly different. The circumference now is so much better. You can see because of malalignment of the wheel, the inner portion of it is flatter. It wears out a little bit quicker because the wheels are sitting like this. So I'm gonna work on that, tighten things up, and let's get this going. So here's the gear that drives the wheel here. Drop a gear and disappear. Ooga dooga. Okay, that's it. We have replaced a wheel on a 2013 Husqvarna mower. And here's the other side that I still need to work on. You can see how bald they are. The rear ones are looking okay, so I might, because they're not drag wheels, I will just leave them be. But that should make a difference in grip. And here we are on the opposite side of the drive wheels. I'm going to replace this one with a new wheel. It's a pretty affordable repair, upgrade, whatever you want to call it. But you can see the difference, and hopefully we'll be able to tell the difference with traction. Okay. Yep, these teeth are looking pretty rough in there. So hopefully the new ones will provide us with much better traction. Ooga dooga, ooga dooga. Okay, these are on. Ready to go, beautiful. Would you just look at that? Beautiful new wheels on this beautiful Husqvarna mower, front wheel drive. Have a great day, thanks for watching, and I have a couple other mower repair videos on my channel along with the automotive repair stuff. So like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Thanks. Easy project. Thanks for watching.